Hey kids, welcome to backward counting. Can you count 10 to 1? Let's begin with number 10. Can you say 10? 10. Next, we go backward to number 9. Say 9 with me. 9. Going backward from 9, we have number 8. Let's say 8. Great job. After 8, we count down to number 7. Can you spot the difference? The next number backward is 6. Say 6 loudly. Counting down from 6, we arrive at number 5. You're doing so well. Backward from 5 is number 4. Let's keep going. Next is number 3. Let's count it out. Almost there. We're at number 2. Say 2. And finally, we reach number 1. We successfully counted backward from 10. Let's try that one more time. Practice makes perfect. Starting again at number 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And here is number 1. Congratulations! You've learned backward counting from 10 to 1. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you for supporting us.